Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of all time. He's worth over $100 billion, and he's known for his simple yet effective investment strategies. But what most people don't realize is that Buffett's success is not just about investing. It's about something much more fundamental. In this video, I'm going to share with you the one thing that Warren Buffett says made him rich. This one thing is not a secret formula or a magic pill. It's a mindset that anyone can adopt, regardless of their income or net worth. So what is this one thing? Let's find out. Warren Buffett was born in 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska. As a child, he showed an early interest in business and investing. At the age of 11, he made his first investment in a stock. By the time he was in college, he was already managing his own small investment partnership. After college, Buffett started working for his mentor, Benjamin Graham, who is considered to be the father of value investing. Buffett learned a lot from Graham, but he also developed his own investment philosophy, which he called the Buffett Partnership. The Buffett Partnership was a simple yet effective investment strategy. Buffett looked for undervalued companies with strong fundamentals and a long-term outlook. He was patient, disciplined, and he never chased after the latest fads or trends. By the early 1960s, the Buffett Partnership was one of the most successful investment partnerships in the country. But even though Buffett was making a lot of money, he wasn't satisfied. He wanted something more. In 1964, Buffett received an offer to buy a textile company called Berkshire Hathaway. Buffett saw the potential in the company, but he also knew that it was a risky investment. Berkshire Hathaway was struggling, and many investors had already given up on it. But Buffett saw something that others didn't. He saw an opportunity to build something great. He saw a company that could be transformed into a powerful conglomerate with a diverse portfolio of businesses. So, Buffett took a risk. He bought Berkshire Hathaway and started building his empire. And over the next few decades, he did just that. He acquired companies like Geico, Dairy Queen, and See's Candies. He also invested in companies like Coca-Cola, American Express, and Wells Fargo. Today, Berkshire Hathaway is one of the largest and most successful companies in the world. It has a market capitalization of over $600 billion, and it owns a diverse portfolio of businesses in industries like insurance, energy, retail, and finance. So what was the one thing that made Warren Buffett rich? It wasn't just his investment strategy, it was his mindset. Warren Buffett's success is built on a long-term mindset. He's not interested in short-term gains or quick profits. He's interested in building something that will last. Buffett once said, "Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." This quote reflects his belief in the power of patience and long-term thinking. Buffett's long-term mindset is evident in everything he does. He doesn't make impulsive decisions, and he doesn't chase after the latest trends. He invests in companies that have a strong track record and a bright future. Buffett also has a deep understanding of the power of compounding. He knows that small gains over a long period of time can add up to huge gains. That's why he's willing to wait for the right opportunities to come along. We can all learn from his example and adopt a similar mindset in our own lives and investments. If we do, we may just find ourselves on the path to financial success. Thanks for watching, and until next time.